This one's gonna be a real quick video. I just finished washing it. This one came in the other day. A lady got her a new truck. Something was wrong with it, didn't know what, and that was the end of it. So we put a new fuel pump in it. It runs good. It's got 173,000. It's four-wheel drive. No check engine lights, no nothing. The door ajar is the only thing that's lit up. Radio works, heat and air works. Seat's not torn, it's just kind of dirty. I'm gonna get it and vacuum it out real good. It's the 4-door. No, I lied. It's a 3-door truck. Put some different wheels on it with some good tires, washed it up. So it's ready to go. Got running boards on it. There's a Reese hitch on it. So this is a 4.6 liter.
I think they would put it.
This is smoking. It's been sitting a long time. Lady hadn't drove it in a while, so I'm about to go take it up the road and give it the Italian tune-up. Run it up and down the road real good and blow it out. So, anyway guys, that's what I'm working on today. Sold for scrap Ford F-150. Alright folks. We don't get many of these in here that are this nice, so I figured I'd show you. And it's not rusty either. You don't see a lot of these. That are this nice. Like I said, this one's a 3-door. There you go, folks. Alright, I'm going back to work. Thanks for watching.